Artlist.
I'm gonna be doing like a back to school glow up, and on my way to change my necklace, and school is starting in 4 days. It's right now, I don't know what day is it. What day is it? I don't know.
Music
Here somewhere.
licensing
But yeah,
reimagined.
I'm on my way to change my braces, and I'm gonna do my haircut next week. Yeah, exactly. Guys, I don't know what braces color should I get. What braces color should I get? Like, I'm thinking of going with silver. Yeah, silver. I don't know, guys. But I'm gonna go with silver. That's like a high chance I'm gonna go with silver. But then I'm gonna hate it next day because that's just me. I put something, I like it today, and next day I hate it. So I don't know. But they're not gonna let me film inside. So, but you guys are gonna definitely see the after result. But I really like the black color. No, I don't know what to choose. I'm gonna show you guys the end result when I'm done. Oh my god, I'm in the thing. I'm in the thing, and the doctor just left, so I'm gonna film a little bit while I'm here. They have a little TV here. Let me show you. I'm back home, guys. We're back to school grocery shopping because I need some food to bring to school for my lunch, because yeah, I need some food. So we're gonna head to the grocery shop and buy a little grocery things. So I'm gonna buy like a yogurt. They're like, yeah, they're good for their price. Are they sure? They're 6. Yeah, I'm gonna buy one. So this is all of the stuff I have in my bag. I got some eggs because I'm gonna be making my eggs toast, avocado toast, morning breakfast. You feel me? I need my eggs, so yeah. So I just got home from grocery shopping. I got my bag here. I'm gonna prepare my bag. It's one day before school. The bag I got.
Artlist
This is the new bag. This is my pencil case. I'm here with my friends on the call, so we're gonna prepare our bag together. So I was mistaken. 2 days. It's 2 days before school. I'm gonna prepare my bag today because
Music licensing reimagined.
After that, I don't know, I'm gonna buy some new stuff like deodorant, perfume, yeah, cologne and stuff. So I'm gonna prepare my bag. So my friend leave the call for a reason, I don't know. My bag smells so new. Like, I love the smell of my
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna go with, I have 3 packs, so I'm gonna go with 2. No, I'm gonna just put 2 in my bag. Just gonna put 2.
Music licensing
Next,
reimagined.
I got this pen. This, I just put it because I don't like when all of those pens are like in this bag and I have to search for one of it. So I'm gonna go with 2 blue,
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
So this is my final haircut. I think it was really good. So yeah, for the barber.